Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install Google Shopping in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First, open the Google Chrome. Open Google Chrome. In Google Chrome, go to the new tab. Open new tab. Click at here, new tab. In new tab, here we find Google Apps. Click on Google Apps. Scroll down and find Shopping. Click on the Shopping and Google Shopping is open. After that, at a Google Chrome, on the top, we find three dots. Click on these three dots. Scroll down and find Save and Share. Go to the Save and Share. In a Save and Share, we find Install Google Shopping. Click on Install Google Shopping. Click on Install. New window is appear. Close it. No thanks. Close the Google Chrome. On desktop, we find Google Shopping shortcut. Also in Start, in app list, we find Google Shopping is installed as an app on our Windows 10 PC. It's installed now. Open it from the start or from the desktop. I open it from the desktop, double click on it, and in few seconds our Google Shopping is open as an app in our Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.